Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to hard reset your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is turn off your Realme 5 mobile phone by switching the turn off button. Okay? Okay guys, turn off your mobile phone, and okay, after that, okay, after you turn off your mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is press the power button and the volume down button. And okay, you'll have to do is press these two button. Okay, press and hold the volume down and power button after you see the Realme logo. And okay guys, release and wait a seconds to see the option of the hard reset. And okay guys, that's it. You can see the option of language here. Okay, you can select the English language. Okay, and after that, okay, you can see the wipe data. Okay, select wipe data. Okay, click wipe data. And okay guys, wipe data, please enter verification code. Okay, you can enter the code, okay, 0062. Okay, 0062. And okay guys, wiping data. And okay guys, after that, okay, you'll have to do is click the format data. Okay, and okay guys, the pop-up will show and format data. Okay, all user data will reset. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click or select the format button. And okay guys, wiping, please wait and do not perform any other operation. And okay guys, wiping data. And okay guys, wipe successfully. Okay, click OK button. And okay guys, your phone is automatically turned on. And okay, you can see the logo first, the logo of the Realme. And wait a couple of seconds. And okay guys, you can see the Realme yellow logo. And okay guys, after that, select the language you want to use to your mobile phone. So okay guys, I decide to select the English language. And okay guys, after that, click the next button. And okay guys, select region. So I select Philippines regions. Okay, and after that, click next button. And okay guys, here in terms of service, okay, you'll have to do is click next button. And use mobile data, click next button. And okay guys, connect to Wi-Fi. So okay guys, you'll have to do is connect to your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. And okay guys, after you enter the password, join or click the join button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, we have successfully connected. And after that, after you connect to Wi-Fi, okay, click next button. And Wi-Fi assistant. So okay guys, here, okay, you can click the next button again. And okay guys, checking for updates. Okay, this may take a few minutes. Okay, checking for updates, installing update. You all have to do is wait a couple of minutes. And okay guys, okay, copy apps and data. And okay guys, you all have to do is click next button or select don't copy button. And okay guys, just a seconds. So okay, wait a seconds. Okay, checking info. And okay guys, wait a minute or wait a couple of minutes. And okay guys, now you can sign in your Google account. And but in this tutorial, I skip this. Okay, I choose skip button. So okay, click skip button. And okay guys, skip account setup. So okay guys, click skip again on the pop-up window. And okay guys, just a seconds again. And okay guys, here in Google service, okay, click more button. And okay guys, after that, okay, click the accept button. And okay guys, adding finishing touching. So okay guys, here. Okay, set lock screen password. Okay, you can set now, and okay guys, I decide to set later. So okay, click later button and set a lock screen password to. So okay, select the later button and recommended. So okay guys, you all have to do is click next button. Import data. So okay, I import data later. So you all have to do is select later button. And okay guys, up market. So okay guys, you can skip this by clicking the skip button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, welcome Realme. And okay guys, click get started button below. And okay guys, we have successfully hard reset the Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.